How to redeem coupon on Epic Games. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your application Epic Games. Enter your login credentials and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. Click on your profile at the bottom left corner. The option of redeem code will be visible to you. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. Over here you can see it says enter your Epic Games product code here. So once you have your coupon code, you have to enter it here. Once you have entered, click on redeem. And then your coupon code will be redeemed successfully. Well, the coupon codes on the Epic Games Store are occasionally offered as promotional discounts. These coupons can be applied to eligible games purchased at checkout, providing a discount on the total purchase price. Users typically receive coupons as a part of special events or promotions, and they can usually be redeemed within a specific period of time. Keep an eye out for announcements for Epic Games regarding coupons availability and users guidelines. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Epic Game coupon code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.